Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GCP Google Cloud Platform. Today we are going to discuss about the difference between AWS to Google Cloud. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Amazon Web Services means AWS and the Google Cloud Platform, that is GCP, are the two leading cloud services providers, each offering a comprehensive suite of cloud computing services. While both platforms share similarities, there are notable differences in terms of services, pricing models, global infrastructure, and ecosystem. Here are some key differences between AWS and the Google Cloud. Service offering. AWS offers a broad range of services with a mature and extensive portfolio, including computing power, storage, databases, machine learning, analytics, and the more. GCP, known for its strong offerings in a machine learning and the data analytics, provide a variety of services comparable to AWS but maybe have differentiating features in certain areas. Pricing model, right? AWS uses a pay as you go pricing model with the various pricing options, including on demand instances, reserved instances, and spot instances. GCP allows you follows a pay as you go pricing model. Google has sustained use a discount custom pricing for certain services. GCP pricing is often considered more straightforward and competitive for the certain workloads. For the first, so I'm going to elaborate this one. For the GCP, they are going to give you the $300 credits for the 1 year that you can use that credits and run any of the website, do the testing or something. Same, AWS has a free tier sources, like they are going to provide. So but you can use the AWS, you can use the resources, so you have to pay if the billing model is going to be much higher than that what you have the free tier, so it gonna be give you the bill, right? This much the instance has giving us, like whatever the payment, so you have to go for that one. So they were saying that pay as you go pricing model. Okay, so they have the free tire system for the 1 year, but there is, if if you are consuming much more than that, so they are going to, you have to pay for the bills. Okay, so make sure if you are using the free tire, make sure it's in the limited of the whatever they have, the 12 months free tire, so you have to use accordingly, right? Next we have the global infrastructure. AWS has a vast global infrastructure with multiple availability zones and the regions worldwide, allowing users to deploy applications close to their end users for lower latency. GCP has also a global network of the data centers, but with the fewer regions compared to AWS. GCP emphasizes its high speed and secure global network ecosystem and the integration. AWS has a mature, extensive ecosystem with a large number of third party integrations and a wide community. AWS Marketplace offers a variety of third party software and the services. GCP provides seamless integration with the Google Data Analytics, machine learning tools. GCP Kubernetes Engine is a well integrated with the Google Kubernetes and it's a popular choice for containerized applications. Okay, machine learning and the AI. AWS offers a wide range of machine learning and the AI services, including the Amazon SageMaker, Poly, Recognition, and the more. GCP, known for its strength in machine learning and the AI, provides services like AI Platform, TensorFlow, and the BigQuery ML. Containers and the Kubernetes. AWS has Amazon Elastic Container Service, that is ECS, and the Elastic Kubernetes Service, that is EKS, for the container orchestration. GCP GCP offers Google Kubernetes, that is GKE, as managed Kubernetes services, is known for its strong support for containers and the Kubernetes. Okay, next we have the data services. AWS provides a wide range of managed data services, including the Amazon RDS, DynamoDB, and the Aura. GCP offers a Cloud SQL, Cloud Spanner, Cloud Bigtable, among other managed database services. Market share. AWS has been a market leader with a significant share in the cloud computing marketing. GCP has been gaining marketing share, but it's generally considered the third largest cloud provider behind AWS and the Microsoft Azure. Okay, so this is the both the comparison, right? How they are different. Okay, so difference between the AWS and the Google Cloud. I hope you like this, the data that I have shared with you. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, what we are going to learn that which one is cheaper. Okay, on the behalf of it, we are going to decide which is more expensive, GCP or the AWS. We are going to learn in the coming series. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.